Hi everyone, so this is part 2 of our project and here I am at my row 12 and now I'll do the following zigzag section. So for that we will just leave the last 3 chain sections undone and that way we get that zigzag effect that we want, and I'll show you. So you start the row as you always would. You do 2 chains for the height and then you turn. And you do 2 double trebles done together, or sorry, regular ones done together, and then 3 chains and a bundle into the same spot. So here is the beginning of the row 12 on the side where our additions take place. So the side that kind of rounds a bit and that will go around the neck when worn. Okay, now we are doing the next chain section with a bundle. So we do 3 chains and another bundle. And now you can continue in the same manner, so nothing new, until you get to the last 3 chain sections. So just make sure you pay attention and you don't do all of them without thinking. This won't be hard to do at all, just when you see that you're getting towards the end, make sure you're paying a little bit more attention than at the beginning. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I'll do my 6th pair now. That's also how you can tell where you're at. And now I have the 3 bows that, as planned, we're gonna leave undone. So just like the bottom section also had 3 undone, if you remember. So now I'll basically do the same with our section we're doing right now. So instead of continuing, I will just turn with a regular chain. And row 13 will again be done in the same manner. So we do a slip stitch into the first bundle and another one into the chain section, and then we are continuing in our pattern. And then we will add a pair when we get to the other end. And you continue this way until you get to row 17, and then I'll show you how you can do the end row. So the top edge will get a lovely pointy end, so I'll show you how to do that in our next video. So until then, make sure you do the steps in between, and then I'll meet you there.